Model, 2015 Volkswagen Transporter T30 140PS TDI Double Cab DSG Long Wheelbase, 2.0 Simple Fixed Trader Margin Bargain Open Mouth Smile. Body, black, panel van. Mileage, 163745. Engine, 1968 cc 2.0 TDI 180 PSC. Transmission, automatic 4-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Slight white smoke coming. The turbo will need replacing soon but still pulls well through the automatic gearbox. Open mouth smile. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features: 0 former keepers, cruise control, parking sensors, air con, 2 keys, electric windows. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info.